Here with Mr. Shoda, we are having the collaborations for the CNC router. This is CNC router BS101. This router is occupied with table size of 2500 by 1300 and Z-axis with 345. The spindle running at 17,000 RPM. So this machine is occupied with Fanuc controller. The tool type what we are using here is HSK63F, which is having a pretty much really rigid and solid experience with respect to the CNC router. The number of tools, as I said before, it's 7 tools right in the corner here with a rapid speed of 60, 60, 60. Just please the mind of 60. Here is the CNC router BS101. We can cut the metals such as sponge, rubber, plastic, nylon and the soft metals such as aluminium, copper and few more soft metals right on this machine. So now handing over my stuff to Mr. Shoda. Sir, please have a little bit description about our machines.
We Shoda is the #1 CNC router company in Japan. So we produce CNC router. So CNC router is good for plastic, resin, some aluminum, those material lighter than steel. And so also we introduce few more models to the Indian market. So I think Indian market is very potential market for those material lighter than steel. That's why our CNC router is very good for those product and materials. So we enjoy the partnership with AMS and S Group.
The beautiful CNC router we are launching in the market with the name of AMS Shoda.